Hello guys, welcome to Live SK classes and today discuss in computer components. Computer components where there are five main computer components that are given below, and the first input devices, and the second CPU, and the third output devices, and the fourth primary memory, and the five secondary memory will be discussed in connected and CPU. All primary memory and output input devices are the connected. Secondary memory are the connected or connected at CPU, central processing unit. The the operations and the operations of computer components are given below, and the first the and in inputting. So it is the process of entering raw data, instructions and informations into the computer. It is performed with the help of input devices, and the second storing and the second storing. The computer has primary memory and secondary storage to store data and instructions. It stores the data before sending it to CPU, central processing unit, for processing, and also storage the processed data before displaying it as outputs. And the third processing. All the discussed processing, it is the process of converting the raw data into useful informations. This process is performed by CPU of the computers. It tasks the raw data from a storage process. It and then send back the processed data to a storage. And the fourth outputting what outputting, it is the process of presenting the processed data through output device like monitor, printer and speaker. The discuss in input devices and the input devices. What input devices? And they discuss input devices. The input devices enable the user to send data, information or control signal to a computer. This central processing unit, CPU of the computer, receive the input and process it to proceed the output. And the sum of some of the popular input devices, it first keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, and the uh, devices light pen, डिजी डिजिटर्जर, और उसके बाद माइक्रोफोन्स एंड दी डिवाइसेस और मैग्नेटिक और इंक करेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजेशन MICR, and the ninth optical characters readers OCR, and the 10 digital camera, and the 11 biometric devices. And the first discuss keyboard. What keyboard? So keyboard is basic input device that is used to enter data into a computer of any other electronic devices or by processing key. It has different sets of key for letters, numbers, characters, and functions. Keywords are connected to a computer through USB or Bluetooth devices for wireless communications. And they discuss the types of keywords. There can be different types of keywords based on the region and language used. Some of the common types of keywords are the as follows. And the first keyword types query, quality keywords and the quality keywords is the most commonly used keyword with a computer in modern times. It is named after the first six letters of the top row of buttons and is even popular in countries that do not use Latin based alphabets. It is so popular that some people think that it is the only types of keywords that use with computers as an input devices. And the figures keywords quality keywords uh, and quality keywords in figure to discuss and the second agility keywords and discuss below. And agility keywords, it is considered the stands French keywords. It is developed in France as an alternative layout to the quality layout and is mainly used in France and other European countries. Some countries have manufactured their own version of agility and its name is derived from the first six letters that appears on the top left row of the keywords. The Q and W. Q is agility. Keywords are interchanged with A and Z keys and quality keywords. For furthermore, in agility keywords, M key is located to the left of the L key and the figure and the mouse in the and mouse is a small hardware input devices used by hand. It controls the mouse movement of the cursor on the computer screen and allows user to move and select folders, text files and icon on a computer. It is an object which needs to put on a hard flat surface to use. When the user moves the mouse, the cursor moves in the some direction on the display screen. And the mouse is capable of performing various functions on a computer which are as follows. Mouse the mouse pointer, and the main functions of a mouse is to move the mouse cursor on the screen in the desired direction. And the second is select a mouse provides users the options to select to text file or folder and many files at once. For example, if you want to send multi-file to anyone, you can select many files at once and can send them. And the third, open or execute a program. You can open a folder, icons, or other objects by a mouse. You are required to move the cursor to a file, folder, or an icon. Then double click on the object that you want to open or execute. And the second step, drag and drop. Drag and drop. When or select something, it can also be moved from one location to another key using the drag and drop method. In this method, first you need to highlight the file or an object that you want to move, then moves this file while pressing the mouse button and drop it on the desired location. Or hovering when move the mouse pointer of any object. Hover changes the color of links, and by clicking on the link and you can go on the dist destinations page and the scanner. And the second step, a scanner. Why a scanner? What is a scanner? So a scanner, the scanner uses the picture and pages of text as input. It scan the picture or a document. The scan picture or documents, then convert into a digital format of files and is displayed on the screen as an output. It uses optical characters recognition techniques to convert image into digital ones. Types of scanners. Type of scanners and first flatbed scanners and flatbed scanners will figures and the flatbed scanner, it has a glass pane and a moving optical CIS yani contact imaging sensor. The lights moves across the glass pane and scans the documents and thumbs produce its digital copy. We will need a transparency adapter while scanning transparent slides. And the second step, and the second, handheld scanner and the figure handheld scanner will be the discuss in it is a small manual scanning device which is held by hand and is rolled over a flat image that is be scanned. This drawback in using this device is that the hand should be steady while scanning. Otherwise, it may destroy the image. One of the commonly used held scanners is the barcode scanners, which you would have seen in shopping stores. And the third steps are photo and scanners will be discussed in it is designing to scan photography. It has high resolutions and color depth which are required for scanning photographs. Some photo scanners come with in built software or for clearing and restoring old photography. And the picture figure and scanners and the joystick. Second step and joystick. What is joystick? To joystick or joystick is also pointing input device like a mouse. It is made up of stick wing or a spiral base. The base is fitted in a socket that allows free movement of the sticks. The movement of sticks controls the cursors or pointers on the screen. A joystick is similar to a mouse. Expect that with a mouse the cursor stops moving a sun as you stop moving the mouse with a joystick. The pointers continues moving in the directions the joystick is pointing. To stop the pointers you must return the joystick to its upright positions. Most joysticks include two buttons called triggers. Joysticks are used mostly for computer games, and the joysticks figure below. And next, light pen and the light pen. What is light pens? So light pens yani similar to the pen is a pointing device which is used to select or display menu items or draw pictures on the monitor's screen. When its tip is moved over the monitor's screen and pen buttons is pressed, it photocells sensing elements detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signals to the CPU and the light pen in the figure below. And next, second step, digi digital jars and the digiti jars. The digiti jars is an operator input device which contain a large smooth boards and an electronic tracing device which can be changed over the surface to flow existing lines. The electronic tracing device contains a switch for the user to record the desired X and Y coordinate positions. The coordinate can be entered into the computer's memory or stored or an offline stored medium or such as magnetic types and digitized figure and below. And the second step, microphone. And microphone, what is microphone? The microphone is a computer input device that is used to input the sound. It receives the sound variation and converts them into audio signals or sends to a recording medium. The audio signals are converted into digital data and stored in the computer. The microphone also enable and the user to telecommunications with others. It is also used to add sound to presentations and with webcams for video conferencing uses and uses. It is used for voice recording and second step first step and second step. It offers use the options of voice recognitions, and third is, it all allows user to record sound of a musical instruments, and fourth step, it enables in users to online chatting, and five steps, it allows use for VoIP, voice over interrupt protocol, and the sixth step, uh, for furthermore, it can record files for singing, podcast, and directions, and the voice recording mics figure below. And the second step, magnetics ink characters recognitions. What is magnetics ink characters recognitions? It is MICR, computer's input device, is designed to read the text printed with magnetic ink. And MICR, magnetic link characters recognition, is a characters recognition technology that makes use of a special magnetic link which are sensitive to magnetic fields. It is widely used in bank to process the check and other organizations where security is a major concern. It can process 300 checks or in a minutes with a 100% accuracy. The details on the buttons of the check MICR number are written with magnetic inks. A laser printer with MICR tones can be used to print the magnetic inks. The device read the details and send to the computer for processing. Or documents printed in magnetic ink is required to pass through a machine which magnetizes the link, and the magnetic information is then translated into characters. And this next step, optical characters readers, OCR. What is optical characters readers? In optical characters readers, computer input devices is designing to convert the scan image of handwriting types of printed text into digital text. It is widely used in offers and libraries to convert documents and books into electronics fields. And process and copies and physical forms of our documents using our scanners. After copying the documents, the OCR software converts to the documents into a two colors, blank and white version called bitmap. And the next, it is widely used to convert hard copy legal or historic documents into PDFs. These converts documents can be edited if required, like we edit documents and create in a MS Word. And the figure below. And the next, digital camera. तो डिजिटल कैमरा व्हाट तो डिजिटल कैमरा इट इज अ डिजिटल कैमरा डिवाइस एच इज कैप्चर्स इमेज एंड रिकॉर्ड वीडियो और videos digitally and store then on a memory cards. It is provides with an image sensors chip to capture image as opposite to films used by traditional cameras. Besides this, a camera that is connected to your computer can also be called a digital camera. Digital camera figure is below. And the next step, biomagnetic biometric, and the next biometric refers to process in which a person is identified through his or her biological features such as fingerprints, eye, cornea, face structure, etc. It is done by using biometric device which can be different types based on their scanning features and abilities such as first face scanner and the first scanner are discussed below. So and is it is a face scanner. It is designing to identify a person by scanning his or her face. It tasks the face measurement of a person. For example, the distance between eye, nose, and mouth, etc. Accordingly, it confirms the identity of a person. Besides this, it is a smart enough to differentiable between a person's picture and the real person. And the second step, hand scanner. Hand scanner. So what is hand scanner? So hand scanner, the hand scanner of a person can also be used to verify his or her identity, as every person has a unique pattern of veins in the palm, just like fingerprints. This device takes advantage of these features. It identifies a person by scanning the palm of this by hand. It is infrared high to scan veins, patterns, and bold flowing in the palm in is even more unique than fingerprints. And the third steps, fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner, what is fingerprint scanner? And the fingerprint scanner, it the fingerprints to identify peoples or for biometric authentications. This device is developed keeping in mind the fact that no two persons in the world can have the same fingerprints. It is widely used in companies as a fingerprints attendance systems to mark the attendance of employee. These types of scanners are captures the pattern of valley and rides found on a finger and store it in the memory or database. When you
press your finger on the given space. It verifies the identity by using its patterns matching softwares and fingerprints figure below. And the next step voice scanner. Next step is voice scanner, and voice scanner, it is records the voice of a person and digitized it to create a distinctive voice print or template. The voice prints are stored in the database and are used to verify the voice of a person. To confirm his or her identify, the person is required to speak in the normal or some voice that was used to create a voice template. It is not much reliable as it can be mis- misset using a tape recording and voice make figure and below. तो थैंक यू गाइस। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करना, ताकि हम कोई भी वीडियो अपलोड करें तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन के द्वारा ज़रूर मिले। थैंक यू गाइस।